It's the thirstiest time of the year. I have just one query.
Want a Sprite cranberry?
The answer is clear.
This message was transmitted at the request of the Whatcom County Police Department. There has been a sudden spike in missing children reports filed in the Whatcom County Police Department within the last 72 hours. So far, at least 75 children have gone missing, and all these children are from the 3 to 12-year-old range. There are currently no suspects, and the Whatcom County Police Department is working tirelessly to get to the bottom of this situation. A full list of the missing children can be found on www.whatcomcounty.us/287/missing-children. If you come across or see any of the missing children, immediately contact 911 but do not try to approach or apprehend them. A reason as to why these children have gone missing or the individual or individuals responsible have still not been found, so it is assumed that these children are currently in a dangerous situation. And approaching these children could put your life at risk. Due to all these circumstances, there will be an increased police presence throughout Whatcom County until this situation has been dealt with. So please comply with instructions given to you by police. We appreciate your cooperation in this situation. This message was transmitted at the request of the Whatcom County Police Department. A few minutes ago, an emergency alert system civil emergency message broadcast was hijacked by an unknown individual. It is currently unknown as to how this individual managed to hijack the broadcast. But civil authorities are currently investigating this mysterious interruption. Regarding the hijack itself, reports came in that the interruption included an individual singing the lyrics to a Christmas song with a vaguely threatening message that they were, quote, coming to town. A flash of images were then displayed that, despite their unknown contents, apparently had a psychological influence on specific people. These people had reportedly entered a temporary state of depression or homicidal rage. If anyone is displaying this kind of behavior around you, immediately contact civil authorities to receive assistance. Due to the anonymous nature of the broadcast interruption, and civil authorities being unable to trace the initial source of the broadcast. If you or anyone you know has any credible information on who might have carried out this hijacking, immediately contact civil authorities and you might be eligible for a cash reward of up to $1,000. This message was transmitted at the request of the Whatcom County Police Department. Due to the staggering number of missing children reports continuously rising the past 24 hours, along with the lack of any identifiable suspects, a mandatory curfew for Whatcom County, along with others surrounding counties, will be put into effect starting at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time and ending at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Police will begin patrolling the entirety of Whatcom County and others surrounding counties, and residents are urged to go home as soon as possible or when told to do so by civil authorities, as it will be illegal to be outside after the curfew has begun. Anyone caught outside will be arrested and questioned. Homeless people and people unable to get home will be properly taken care of. Again, there will be a mandatory curfew for Whatcom County and others surrounding counties beginning at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and ending at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Nobody is allowed outside during the curfew, and anyone caught outside will be arrested and
I see you when you're sleeping. I know when you're awake. I know when you've been bad or good. But either way, you will face eternal torture. There